Children, good morning to all of you. Welcome back in mathematics class once again. And today we are going to start your third chapter, fractions. Okay, so see what are the fractions? All those numbers that can be written in the form of a upon b. All the numbers that can be written in the form of a upon b are known as fractions. Example, suppose you take 1 by 3. This is a fraction. If you take 5 by 7, this is also a fraction. If you take 11 by 17, this is also a fraction. Understood? Suppose you take 18 by 7, this is also a fraction. Here 18 is called numerator, 7 is called denominator. Here 11 is called numerator, 17 is called denominator. Okay? Now we will see proper fraction. What is the proper fraction? A fraction in which numerator is smaller than denominator. See, 3 by 7 is a proper fraction because numerator is smaller than denominator. If you take 8 upon 100, this is a proper fraction because numerator is smaller than denominator. If you write 5 upon 17, this is a proper fraction because numerator is smaller than denominator. Okay, next one is improper fraction. Improper fraction means the fraction in which numerator is greater than denominator. See here, 18 by 17. 18 is greater than 17. Numerator is greater than 17. So this is called improper fraction. Take one more example. 1000 upon 37. 1000 is greater than 37. Numerator is greater than denominator. So this is an improper fraction. 15 upon 8. This is improper fraction. Okay. Now we will see mixed fraction. Children, mixed fractions are those fractions in which a whole number is added with a proper fraction. When a fraction in which a whole number is added with a proper fraction. 1 by 3 is a proper fraction. This proper fraction has been added with whole number. See one more. 5 into 7 by 19. 5 is the whole number, 7 by 19 is the proper fraction. So 5 into 7 by 19 is a mixed fraction. Okay. 11 into 1 by 3. This is also mixed fraction. Okay. Now see next one. Unit fraction. A fraction in which numerator is 1. A fraction in which numerator is 1. See, all these are the unit fractions because their numerator is 1. Understood? Denominator is whatever, numerator should be 1. Then that fraction is called unit fraction. Now we will see like fractions. Children, like fractions are those fractions in which all the denominators are equal. See here, 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8, 9 by 8 and so on. If denominators are equal, then those fractions are known as like fractions. If there are two or more than two fractions, then those fractions are called like fractions if their denominators are equal. And if denominators are unequal, then those are called unlike fractions. What? If denominators are unequal. See here. You can see all the denominators are unequal. So these fractions are called unlike fractions. Understood? Now we are going to start your next exercise. In this chapter there are two exercises only. And in one exercise multiplication and in another exercise division questions are there. Children, the solving process of fraction questions are same as the solving process of rational number. See, I have written some questions for you. I am going to solve and pay attention and try to understand. 4 upon 17 into 7 and half. Second question. 7 into 1 by 4 into 7 by 58 into 1 into 11 upon 21. See how to solve. I hope you can see that these type of questions you have done practice in rational number questions, in rational number chapters. Okay? How to do? First we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 2 into 17, 14 plus 1, 15 by 2. After that, you can see that denominator 2 can divide numerator 4 by 2 times. Now in the case of multiplication, numerator is multiplied by numerator and denominator is multiplied by denominator. So 15 into 2 is 30 upon 17 into 1. Here 1 will remain. So 17 into 1 is 17. You can see that this is improper fraction. Don't give your answer in improper fraction. If your answer is improper, then change it into mixed fraction. 17 into 1 is 17, 13 is the remainder. Understood? If your answer is coming in improper fraction, then don't give the answer there. Convert it into mixed fraction. Okay? Same here. 4 into 7, 28 plus 1, 29 by 4. This is 7 upon 58 into 21 into 1, 21 plus 11, 32 upon 21. You can see all these fractions are multiplying each other. So, denominator can divide the numerator. 4 can divide 32 by 8 times. Numerator also can divide denominators. 29 divides 58 by 2 times. Here 7 can divide 21 by 3 times. Understood? Here 1 upon 1 is remaining. Here 1 upon 2 is remaining. Here 8 upon 3 is remaining. When the fractions are multiplied, then all the numerators are multiplied. 1 into 1 is 8. 1 into 8 is 8 upon 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 3 is 6. 8 upon 6. You can see that both the numbers are divisible by 2. 2 dividing 8 coming 4, 2 dividing 6 coming 3. So 4 by 3 is the answer. But again you can see this is improper fraction. So convert it into mixed fraction. Understood? Now see the third question, which is word problem. The question is, a car can travel 12.5 kilometers in 1 liter. How much distance can it travel in 42 into 3 by 5 liter? Understood the question? A car can travel 12.5 kilometers in 1 liter. So how to solve it? First you will write distance traveled in 1 liter is equal to 12.5 kilometers. If in 1 liter the car is traveling 12.5 kilometers, then in 42 into 3 by 5 liter, see here, distance traveled in 42 into 3 by 5 liter is equal to, this 42 into 3 by 5 will be multiplied by 12 into half. Is this clear or not? Because in 42 into 3 by 5 liter the car will travel more distance and when your answer comes more, then you have to multiply. Now solve and get your answer. See, 5 is multiplied by 42, 210 plus 3, 213 by 5 into 2 into 12, 24 plus 1, 25 by 2. You can see that 5 can divide 25 by 5 times. Now 5 into 213, 1065. When you multiply it, 1065 is divided by 2. This kilometer. Now again convert it into improper fraction. 2, 5, 10, 3, 2. 532 into 1 by 2 kilometer. Understood? You can see this is the simple multiplication. These type of questions you have done in rational number chapters. Same method. The question solving method is same. Okay? Now I am going to tell you some division questions. I hope you can pause the video and you can note down these questions. Okay? Now see the question number 4, which is based on the division. Okay? (32.5) divided by 8 into 3 by 4. Fifth question is 9 into 4 by 5 divided by this one. Okay? One language problem. Question number 6. If the cost of 6 into 1 by 4 meter of cloth is rupees 1421 into 7 by 8, find the cost of 1 meter of cloth. Okay, these questions are based on division. See how to solve it. First we will convert this mixed fraction into improper. 2 into 32, 64 plus 1. This is 65 by 2. 8, 4 into 8, 32 plus 3, 35 by 4. Now, to solve the division, we change it into multiplication and right hand side reciprocal is written. Procedure understood? When fractions division you are solving, change the division sign into multiplication sign and right hand side number reciprocal you will write here. Okay? Now see. 5 can divide 35 by 7 times and 5 can divide 65 also by 13 times. This 2 can divide 4 by 2 times. You can see that in the numerator 13 into 2, 26 is there. In the denominator 1 into 7. 1 into 7 is 7. After division you are getting 26 by 7. This is improper fraction, so change it into mixed fraction. 7 into 3, 21. 5 is the remainder. Understood? Now see the fifth question. Again process is same. 5 will be multiplied by 9. 45 is coming. 45 plus 4, 49. Understood? Now here 25 into 3, 75. 75 and 23 is 98. Okay? Now 49 upon 5 will be same as division will be changed into multiplication and it will become 25 upon 98. Okay? Now 5 can divide 25 by 5 times. 49 can divide 98 by 2 times. Now your answer is 5 by 2, because in the case of multiplication, numerator is multiplied by numerator. There is 1. So 5 into 1 is 5. Here is 1 into 2 is 2. 5 upon 2 can be converted into mixed fraction. Then you will get 2.5. Okay? Now see the word problem. The cost of 6 into 1 by 4 meter of cloth is rupees that. So how will you write the statement? the cost of 6 into 1 by 4 meter cloth is equal to rupees 1421 into 7 by 8. Okay, this is the cost of 6 into 1 by 4. So cost of 1 meter will be less than this rupees, so this rupees will be divided by 6 into 1 by 4. Okay, this 1421 into 7 by 8 is divided by 6 into 1 by 4. Now how to solve it? First it will be multiplied and then answer will be added with 7. See, when 1421 is multiplied by 8 and 7 is added with that, you will get 11,375 divided by 4 into 6, 24 plus 1, 25. Now this term will be same as, in the place of division we will put multiplication sign, and 25 by 4 will become 4 upon 25. Okay, now 4 is the numerator, so it can divide the denominator by 2 times. 25 is the denominator, so it can divide the numerator. See how many times? 25 into 4 is 100, 13 is the remainder. 25 into 5, 125, 12 is the remainder, and then 5, 125, again 5 times. That means rupees 455 upon 2. Now divide it. $227 into 1 by 2 rupees is the cost of 1 meter. Okay, now pause the video and note down these questions. Okay children, now see 2 more questions. The product of 2 fractions is 8 into 7 by 25. If one of them is 3 into 1 by 15, find the other. See how to solve. What is your question saying? Product of 2 numbers is equal to 8 into 7 by 25. Product of 2 numbers. One of them is 3 into 1 by 15. Then find the other. Suppose other number be x. Let the other be x. Okay, that means x is equal to 8 into 7 by 25 will be divided by 3 into 1 by 15, because this number is multiplied. When it will be transferred other side, the right hand side will be divided. Now solve and get your answer. 25 into 8, 200 plus 7, 207 upon 25 divided by 15 into 3, 45 plus 1, 46 upon 15. Now x is equal to 207 upon 25 into, it will become 15 upon 46, because when division is changed into multiplication, right hand side number reciprocal will be written. Now you can see 15 and 25 both are divisible by 5. When 25 is divided by 5, 5 is the answer. When 15 is divided by 5, 3 will be the answer. Now 207 and 46. Think a number which can divide both. 23 can divide both. 23 divides 46 by 2 times, and 23 into 9 is the 207. That means when 23 divides 207, answer will be 9. Okay, now we know that numerator is multiplied by numerator, so 9 into 3 is 27, 5 into 2 is 10. Now change it into mixed fraction. 10 into 2 is 20, 7 is the remainder. That means 2 into 7 by 10 is the other number. Now the last question of the day. See here. The length of a rectangular plot of land is 29 into 3 by 7 meter. If breadth is this, then find the area. I hope you all children know that area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So here length is 29 into 3 by 7 meter into breadth is 12 into 8 by 11 meter. Now multiply and get your answer. First 7 and 29 will be multiplied. So it will be 206 upon 7. Okay. Once you will also check the multiplication. 11 into 12, 132 and 8, 140 upon 11. And meter into meter will become meter square. Now 7 can divide 140 by 20 times. Can 11 divide 206? No, it will not be divided. So numerator will be multiplied by numerator. So it will come 4120 upon 11 meter square. So change it into mixed fraction. When you divide 4120 by 11, then see here. Understood? 11 dividing 41. So you will take 3 times. 11 into 3, 33. 41 minus 33, 8 is the remainder. 2 will come here. 11 into 7, 77. 82 minus 77 is 5. 0 will write here. Now 11 into 4 is 44. 6 is the remainder. So you can write it 374 into 6 upon 11 meter square. This is the area of the rectangle. Okay children, this is the video that I have taught you the fractions. I have sent you one assignment also, which is related to the rational number and fraction both. See all these questions, revise your rational numbers and then solve those assignments and send to me for correction. Okay, bye bye.